What's going on, guys? So if you're new to the channel, my name is Fanuel. I'm a 23-year-old entrepreneur from Maryland, USA. And over the past 4 years, I've been able to go from being a broke college student, having to juggle multiple different jobs, to creating multiple seven-figure businesses to change mine and my family's life for good. And this is behind the scenes of running a multi-million-dollar jewelry brand. Good morning, guys. So today we have a shoot for our jewelry brand. So I gotta grab my laptop so I can work at the studio at the same time. So yeah, let's go. Oh, Brian's coming too? Yeah, she's gonna be our producer. Oh, she's gonna be a producer? Yeah. Let's go, Brandon. Bye, Brownie. So to give you guys a bit of a background, I'm actually equity partner in this business. I pretty much do the operational side of things and also the marketing aspect of it, which I consider myself very good at. And in this specific day, we actually have a production day booked where we're gonna be doing photos and videos throughout the whole day. And in this day and age, content is gonna be the backbone of any successful business. And that's the reason we have the whole day booked to get as much quality content as possible.
I think I've seen it between you and me. Open to you. Okay, appreciate it. Do you need us to sign up on the sheet?
Oh my god, this math. Yeah.
So to be able to have a production like this, there's a few things that we had to put together to make it work. The first one was finding a studio space. We had to look around a few different places and ended up finding a solid place on Peerspace, which is like an Airbnb for studio spaces and other venues. So once we got that locked in, the second thing that we had to put together was a list of models. And we actually had a little bit of a struggle to put that together given our timeline and the type of selection that we had. And one of the things that happened is one of our models ended up canceling the day before our shoot. So we had to compromise and use my girlfriend's best friend as one of our models, which actually ended up working pretty well. And the third thing that we had to put together was a production team. I actually already had a production team, so just a matter of connecting the dots. Once we have everything in place, we're just a matter of going to the space and getting it started.
Do you want like a perfect circle with the chain? Should we bring this higher? Is it easier?
I always tell you the one that's like a little boxy.
Oh yeah, there's two sizes. This is the medium one, that's a large.
That's a big boy.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And then a circle. I was trying to like do it, but that's hard. Like a little.
So for this campaign, our team consisted of the following roles. The main one was Daryl, who was the creative director of this entire production, who was in charge of the photos, the video production, and all the creative aspect of it. And the second one was Cheyenne, who happens to be my girlfriend, and she was in charge of the production with models and any logistics that we needed. And the third person was me, who was more of like executive director, kind of in charge of understanding what type of content that we need for marketing and also for our website. So I was just there to kind of give some direction in terms of what content we specifically need for this specific campaign. So the idea behind the shoot was to get as much content as possible for our marketing aspect of it, for our Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all those different creatives that we needed. And the second one was a little bit of a refresh for our website. So we needed some creatives for homepage and kind of changing the aesthetics of the site and also for the product pages. So that was the main purpose of this entire production. So once we got to the studio, we came up with a game plan and started unloading all the equipment, including lighting, cameras, and all the gears that we needed for that specific production. And the first part of the production was actually shooting product photos inside of a light box. And while we were doing that, our models were getting their makeups done, which brings us to the second part of the production where we're actually shooting products with our models.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Same guy in charge. That's Daryl. He's gonna be the main photographer and his assistant.
Hi, good, how are you?
What's your name?
Laura.
Laura. Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Sarah, nice to meet you.
Yo, Mark 9. They really don't think we can keep doing this. They don't think we can keep making hits. About cameras.
Yeah.
But I'm the cameraman. But I'm the cameraman. Stay creamy. Yeah, I started on a 50 mil lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 million. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play, yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's photographers, like, I'll literally have lipstick in my teeth and they'll tell me.
Oh, hell no. I'll be like, girl.
The basics, I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have to patience. I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated and you gon' lose right now. Like click, click, click.
What's good, Cheyenne?
Vlogs. We're almost done.
Cheyenne, producer, killing it.
First time.
So wait, what you were saying?
I was saying it looks dope. I'm about to fall asleep though. I can't do much. I can't model, so.
Well, whenever we get a male role, we'll bring you in, and then we'll bring Gus and Tay. They can hang up for that one.
Gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Yeah, kid Newton, I've been shooting my shot.
While the models were changing, we had a little bit of a downtime, so I had to actually fit in a little bit of photoshoot for myself, kind of put on the gram.
Proving I'm wrong, I've been taking shots and now I'm starting to stutter. Vision getting blurry, I should check my shutter. I'm the cameraman, I need my camera madam. Shoot my shot like a Mansaletta. I develop film, not feelings. Ooh, I develop.
Yes, I like that right there. That's really good.
I filmed Daryl.
That's good, boss.
I filmed.
Tired. But good. I feel good though.
Ooh, I develop film, not feelings. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot.
Hey, you guys. We're halfway there.
So we just finished our shoot. We have another location that we have to go to. So we're just gonna pack up our stuff and go. It's raining outside, so hopefully it stops raining after we eat lunch because we still haven't eaten lunch. But yeah, that's pretty much what the day looks like behind the scenes of actually producing content for our brand. So yeah, let's keep going.
I don't like cameras.
All right.
What do I do with my hand?
We're trying to shoot outside, but as you can see, it's pouring rain outside, and
Yeah.
it's not gonna get better until.
So the whole day is gonna be raining. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna try to shoot with what we have, and then I think we might buy some umbrellas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Some umbrellas.
buy some umbrellas, keep the girls dry, see what we can do. Might as well shoot it.
Compromise.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather shoot it than not shoot it because we can be like,
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Doesn't work.
I mean, we
yeah,
had a
so.
lot of content here. So.
Oh yeah, we got plenty. I'm happy with what we have. So.
Yeah. Your body slamming. After leaving the studio, we had to make sure that the whole crew was fed, so we ended up stopping at Chipotle, which was actually next to our second location, where we were going for more of an urban and street look for this part of the campaign.
Tell me hi where you feel.
2 minutes away.
Tell me hi where you feel. Before this gets busier, let's get all three girls walking this way. So walk down to the sign where it says the walking sign, and then just walk towards us. And cut. That was good. Can we get a playback on that one? I want to see it. So thank you guys for your time. Thank you for your stuff. So much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we're gonna have more of these.
Yeah, we're gonna have some more work. So
down for
we'll hit you guys up for more work.
All right, guys, so we just finished the shoot. Good thing we found a bridge. It's actually raining outside, if you can see over there. So we're able to actually do the shoot outside. The inside is. I'm actually excited for the final work. So yeah, this is what a day of shooting content for e-commerce brand looks like. If you guys want to see more of these, let me know. I'll make it happen because we have a lot more coming up. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.